Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/affordable products market 7075. Today we are here with the best topic 10 best tennis racket for beginners with buying guides and reviews. Selecting the right tennis racket for beginners can be overlapping, but with the proper guidance and knowledge you can find the perfect racket that suits your needs. The best option available in the market provide excellent stability, control, power, and valuable to help beginners grow their skills and enjoy playing tennis even more. The top 10 racket available today for beginners are listed next, along with the instructions on packing the ideal racket for you. We will help you discover the perfect racket whether you want to learn the game or try it. Before moving on the top 10 list, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/affordable products market 7075. Number 1, Wilson Spotting Course Blade Feel Tennis Racket Green 20-point Racket. Let's know its features. Recommendable for age 5 to 6. Electric green design inspired by Ardor and Blade. Focus, graphite and aluminum construction split stuff, and flexible properties for excellent playability. Provide excellent feel for recreational juniors. Bumpers guard protect rocket frame from the damaging contact. Number 2, Dunlop Sports FX Team Pre-Strung Rocket Series. Features freestanding tennis racket with modern beam design to maximize power. HM6 carbon graphite frame naturally absorb impact and maintain shape. HM6 use a honeycomb design to create a strong, lightweight structures made up of 96% air. Engineered surface textures inspired by sharp skin, smooth airflow over the rocket and reduced drag compared to non-textured surface. Often 60 by 19 string pattern help meet the FX team 285 of forgiving and spin-friendly rocket. Number 3, Head Metallic Sparks Tour Settling Tennis Racket Pre-Strung Odal Tennis Racket for Control. Let's have its features. Head performance. Head has constantly pushed equipment into the modern area for all level of play. Head offer nothing but the best tennis equipment on the market. Graphic composite rocket features metallics and Arcor technology for increased frame strength and torsional stability. Space 9.7 ounce, 100 square inches. Head size 27-inch length. Headlight balance. The tennis racket for adult has 1 by 2 inch headlight balance with 23 beam width. Number 4, Kids Junior Tennis Racket 23 Racket great for beginners. Features designed for kids, children, youth, suitable for tennis initial training, exercise, and match. Help the development of stroke mechanism and technique for kids. Made for aluminum or durable, lightweight with a carry bag, easy to carry. Professional junior tennis racket, strong direct use. Number 5, Kids Tennis Racket 27-inch super lightweight tennis racket for student training tennis. Let's know its features. Racket is super lightweight but durable, only 328 g. The lighter racket is easy to hold and swing, providing you with a good playing experience which is more likely to inspire beginners a strong interest and confidence with playing tennis. This tennis racket handle make it easy to control and it can reduce rocket vibrations, protect your hand from injury. Number 6, Head Instinct Kirsten NIS Rocket Beginners Free Strength Line. Let's know its features. Great for beginners. Head Instinct Junior tennis rackets are ideal for a range of few players. Beginners rackets are available in size 21, 23, 25 inches for children age 4 to 8. Headlight advantage: the tennis racket have a head light balance which help reduce vibrations and instability when hitting the ball. Durable aluminum made with an aluminum or beam construction secures tennis racket last until they outgrow them. Number 7. Head TI Concourse tennis rackets, pre-stunning headlight, balanced 27-inch racket features. This racket weight light provide enough stiffness, simple to use, provide handling and control durable, uh, made with adorable nano technology. The lightweight tennis rackets are built to last. Dimensions: frame weight 9.7 oz, head size 102 inch, length 27 inch, grip size 4.25 for all level of play. Head offer nothing but the best tennis equipment on the market. Number 8. Stiga 10 Performance Ping Pong Paddle 5 Play Ultra Lightweight. Features: it combines superior craftsmanship with exceptional performance in every product. Built for compositions, ITTF approved smooth invert rubber designs for excellence in tournament play for the competitors looking to improve their table tennis game. Advanced technology: Stigma Crystal and WRB technology combined for a hardened line blade that provide increased speed and optimal balance for weight, speed, and sensitivity. Performance rating: speed 80, spin 77, control 81. Number 9. Head Grafton Lancer oversized braised string tennis racket with large speed spot. Let's noise features: quality pre-string head, velocity, multi-man tennis string provide an arm-friendly feel with the low vibrations and a minimal shock on of center hit. Graphene technology: uniquely strong graphene material has been integrated into the torque for added stability. Oversized head size 110 square inches head size to provide additional power and a large sweet spot. String weight 9.4 hours, length 685 mm, 27 inches beam, 24 by 26 by 22 mm. Number 10. Wilson Blade Team V8 pre-string adult performance rockets metallic green. Let's know its features. Wilson Blade Team V8 pre-strung performance rocket, grip size 2 for 41 by 4 metallic green. Thicker beam constructions for additional stability and easy access to power. Frame geometry and design inspired by Blade V8 performance frame. Metallic green design flashes modern, vibrant look with every swing. Top grip taper provide better feel for top hand and grip placement. Pre-string with Wilson extensions and multi-frame string billet for arm-friendly comfort and playability. We discuss the best 10 Chinese rockets which are the most popular in this modern age of time. Now we are going to share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can see some screenshots on the screen which are the grateful and helpful to you to choose a good one according to your interest and need. All these explain 10 best tennis rockets are the good and provide the flexibility and comfort zones. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.affordableproductsmarket.com/best tennis rocket for beginners. Join us on our social platform Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok. Don't forget to comment and subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/affordable product market 7075. Thanks for watching.